Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of South Korea. In this video, we're diving into a land where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology, creating a unique tapestry of culture and beauty. South Korea is a treasure trove of stunning locations, from the bustling streets of Seoul to the serene landscapes of Jeju Island. Imagine wandering through the vibrant markets of Myeongdong, where the aroma of street food fills the air, or standing in awe at the majestic Gyeongbokgung Palace, a symbol of the country's rich history. But it's not just the urban allure that captivates travelers. South Korea is also home to breathtaking natural wonders. Picture yourself hiking the picturesque trails of Seoraksan National Park, where the mountains touch the sky, or relaxing on the pristine beaches of Busan, where the sun sets over the horizon in a spectacular display of colors. Exploring South Korea is not just about sightseeing, it's about immersing yourself in a culture that values its heritage while embracing modernity. From traditional tea ceremonies to K-pop concerts, every experience offers a glimpse into the heart of this dynamic nation. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make South Korea a must-visit destination. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, there's something here for everyone. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the wonders that await in South Korea. Seoul. Welcome to Seoul, a city that perfectly embodies the harmony of modernity and tradition. As the capital of South Korea, Seoul is a bustling metropolis where skyscrapers tower over ancient palaces, creating a stunning skyline that tells the story of its rich history and rapid development. One of the must-visit landmarks is Gyeongbokgung Palace, a magnificent structure that dates back to the 14th century. Here, you can witness the changing of the guard ceremony and stroll through beautiful gardens that transport you back in time. Just a short distance away, Seoul Tower offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Whether you visit during the day or at night, the sight of Seoul illuminated by thousands of lights is truly mesmerizing. But Seoul is not just about its iconic landmarks. It's also a city that pulses with life. The bustling markets like Myeongdong and Dongdaemun are a feast for the senses. Here, you can sample delicious street food, shop for trendy fashion, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere that defines the city. As the sun sets, Seoul transforms into a nightlife haven. From lively bars in Hongdae to chic lounges in Gangnam, there's no shortage of places to experience the city's energetic vibe. To truly appreciate Seoul's culture, don't miss the chance to participate in a traditional tea ceremony. This serene experience offers insight into the country's customs and a moment of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. Join us as we explore the dynamic city of Seoul, where every corner reveals a new adventure. Jeju Island. Welcome to Jeju Island, often referred to as nature's paradise, where breathtaking landscapes and unique attractions await. This stunning island, located off the southern coast of South Korea, is renowned for its diverse natural beauty. At the heart of Jeju lies Halasan Mountain, the tallest peak in South Korea. Hiking to the summit offers panoramic views that showcase the island's lush greenery and volcanic terrain, making it a must-do for nature enthusiasts. Jeju is also famous for its beautiful beaches, such as Hyopje and Jongmun, where crystal-clear waters meet soft, sandy shores. These idyllic spots are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply soaking in the serene atmosphere. The island's volcanic origins have created unique formations, including the stunning Manjangul lava tube, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Exploring this underground marvel gives you a glimpse into the geological wonders that shaped Jeju, with fascinating lava stalactites and stalagmites lining the path. Beyond its natural wonders, Jeju Island offers a rich cultural experience. Don't miss the chance to savor local delicacies like fresh seafood, black pork, and the famous Jeju tangerines. You can also immerse yourself in traditional practices by visiting local markets or participating in a tea ceremony featuring the island's renowned green tea. Jeju Island is a treasure trove of experiences, blending stunning landscapes with cultural richness. Join us as we delve into this enchanting destination, where every moment is a celebration of nature and heritage. Busan. Welcome to Busan, South Korea's vibrant coastal city that perfectly blends stunning beaches with rich cultural experiences. Known for its picturesque coastline, Busan is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the country. Haeundae Beach, perhaps the most famous, attracts visitors with its soft sands and lively atmosphere. Whether you're sunbathing, swimming, or enjoying water sports, Haeundae offers something for everyone. Just a short distance away, you'll find the charming Gamcheon Culture Village, a colorful hillside community filled with artistic murals, quaint cafes, and unique shops. Strolling through its narrow alleys feels like stepping into a living art gallery. Busan is also a food lover's paradise, especially for seafood enthusiasts. The Jagalchi Fish Market is a must-visit, where you can experience the hustle and bustle of vendors selling fresh catches of the day. Here, you can sample local delicacies like sashimi, grilled fish, and spicy seafood stews, all while soaking in the lively atmosphere of this iconic market. Throughout the year, Busan hosts a variety of cultural festivals and events that showcase its vibrant spirit. The Busan International Film Festival, one of Asia's most prestigious film festivals, attracts filmmakers and cinephiles from around the world. Additionally, the Busan Sea Festival celebrates the city's coastal heritage with beach activities, performances, and fireworks. Join us as we explore Busan, a city where coastal charm meets cultural richness, offering unforgettable experiences at every turn. Gyeongju. Welcome to Gyeongju, often referred to as the ancient capital of the Silla dynasty, where history and culture come alive through its remarkable sights and stories. This city is a treasure trove of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, with Bulguksa Temple standing out as a masterpiece of Buddhist architecture. Built in the 8th century, this temple is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of the artistic and spiritual achievements of the Silla period. Just a short distance away, the Seokguram Grotto houses a stunning stone Buddha statue, surrounded by intricate carvings that reflect the deep reverence for Buddhism during this era. Gyeongju's rich history is palpable as you wander through its ancient sites, which include royal tombs and palaces that once belonged to the Silla kings. The city is often referred to as a museum without walls, showcasing the cultural heritage that flourished for nearly a millennium. To delve deeper into Gyeongju's past, local museums offer fascinating insights into the Silla dynasty. The Gyeongju National Museum displays a vast collection of artifacts, including gold crowns, pottery, and sculptures that narrate the story of this influential kingdom. As you explore Gyeongju, you'll find that every corner holds a piece of history, making it a captivating destination for anyone interested in South Korea's ancient heritage. Join us as we uncover the historical significance and ancient wonders of Gyeongju, a city that beautifully preserves the legacy of the past. Incheon. Welcome to Incheon, a bustling metropolis that serves as the major gateway to South Korea. Home to Incheon International Airport, one of the world's busiest and most efficient airports, this city plays a crucial role in connecting travelers to Korea and beyond. The airport is not just a transit hub, it boasts impressive facilities, including art exhibitions, cultural experiences, and even a golf course, making it a destination in itself. Beyond the airport, Incheon offers a wealth of attractions that showcase its modernity and cultural diversity. The Songdo International Business District is a prime example, featuring cutting-edge architecture and sustainable urban planning. This smart city is home to international businesses, luxury hotels, and the stunning Songdo Central Park, where visitors can enjoy leisurely strolls or boat rides amidst beautifully landscaped gardens. Another highlight of Incheon is Incheon Chinatown, the largest Chinatown in South Korea. Here, you can immerse yourself in vibrant culture, sample delicious Chinese cuisine, and explore unique shops that reflect the area's rich heritage. The colorful streets are perfect for a leisurely afternoon of exploration. For those seeking outdoor activities, Incheon Grand Park is a must-visit. This expansive park offers a variety of recreational options, including walking trails, cycling paths, and picnic areas. It's an ideal spot for families and nature lovers to unwind and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. Join us as we explore Incheon, a city that seamlessly blends modern attractions with cultural experiences, making it the perfect gateway to Korea. As we wrap up our journey through South Korea, let's take a moment to recap the amazing places we've explored together. From the vibrant streets of Seoul, where modernity meets tradition, to the breathtaking landscapes of Jeju Island, each destination offers its own unique charm. We marveled at the historical significance of Gyeongju, the ancient capital of the Silla dynasty, and experienced the coastal allure of Busan, with its stunning beaches and lively seafood markets. Finally, we discovered Incheon, a bustling gateway that welcomes travelers with its modern attractions and rich cultural experiences. South Korea is a country that truly has something for everyone, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie. We encourage you to explore these wonders firsthand and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, and breathtaking scenery that this incredible nation has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we can't wait to explore more amazing places with you in the future.